Kwasiato Jimmy Kevin Taylor betina ho say Samira Bawumia have no respect na Hopeson Adorye chia no yi o se on chia no chese obu no ho na you go explain ta ya Kwasiato
Samira chia because o toilet a unhoro wonsa wo de wonsa wo nkwala ache unhoro wonsa enti woni baabi a wonsa wo di free ba se free utrumo se free nkwala atwemo enti na Samira chia make a chirawo enti anso nya by force enti Samira Bawumia o chia wanka make meja pipiye
Ebusia response na Ghana for channel aba enche bia Adam bro video say Hopeson Adorye any Kevin Taylor sabi omudi Samira Bawumia atem Bawumia ile omudi na tem adaya wanchia Hopeson Adorye enche ne omadwa lie obedi na tem sad no maye na Ebusia Ghana for abere pro ko TikTok media ne so a ko TikTok app ne so a omo abe clash with Kevin Taylor any Hopeson Adorye mama nchiri mu no akere wa adwen amame ewo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say any demo obe like video no other my subscribe button so na be click bell notification corner for the test update and be kire wa adwen de amame ewo comment section me so baso no a share for so anya bi ahwe enti enra enya ko apostle Kojo Safu Kantanka ye call the 40th day celebration after say owu ye no enra eni di na daduanan na daduanan na se no e was Hopeson Adorye eba ho no mo Bawumia na yere eba ye Emma Bawumia na yere ba ye no na ma bra ko chiem fefefe itaka Hopeson so e ko chia wo mu bi but Hopeson do no ye man show down what I say odinka onya Bawumia nsa mo chia ye but Samira ni nsem na ko pena chia na amfa masa amfa
Eja so raya boabe omo to atasa wali Hopeson Adorye Mahmoud Bawumia ena nino ede gomo Andrew baby Ajia Samira ewo ena nino akasa kakra elisa womo ena wo podium no eso ena osofo Fabina Esiama Ajabraja Onoso anene dom ejina fem omo she abefemo ono oso afoso ho
Emma enu no eye Hopeson hi etina no pa no Hopeson ebe ka na adwen kire no Emma Kevin Taylor so ebe ka bi ka ho na fa adwe na omo aye no ana bisa comedian ne so a monchi maka hawe ne so a omo kire se edi Hopeson na ko ope Samira nsem achia na se de na ko ope Samira nsem achia ezeze ope ni nsem achia kachi ede na how ope ni nsem achia David anya ne sa o David yanya ne sa.
All right, Abuja for Nyamisha Bibia. So, Hopeson Adorye, wakwe we shall be, and the person choose not to greet you because of Niyama why you are children in pain. You have said a lot of bad things against this woman. What can some be brave found? Say ukra uyira na yak, say uyira na yaka. Sem na waka fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yire ne ho a Samira Bawumia ho a anka wo yire na obi ye ne sa anka Ghana ha anka Ghana ha anka wo be de se wo be ku nipa no na wo ye gbemi na wo ye say you did all these things against this woman and then you were expecting the woman to see you and be happy and to hug you or to carry you or whatever. And because of say nipa no empese obechia wonti no wabe dani and bra from since yesterday wa ko fi na say one to me and da I say bibi abeto so wa dwe hu a to me nda nti wa turo nsem bebre gu Facebook wa sorry anopa you asan call interview and I will be if beni abeka kire ni say obechia na mani chia oh boga kai hu say niama tan na wo kan efa mami we hu enu nti na aka mekra me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nka me nchiawo What you say? So we should understand that thing. And I kakra na ya before and I beni and I then cry drone kran then I mudi ye. Mu fast I drone na musimu wo na kakra na say e be two way say be say mu fa develop voter ne. Honorable Hopeson Adorye, you have been a politician in this country. But your call crumbs is here. Say bio. Your call crumbs is here. Do you have impact Ben question that maybe sir? Do you have some impact? What giant legacy bio crum na they be say and I'm if we have some your vote and this. Do we have something like that there? That the people that you are the town that you are saying is where you are coming from, no? Are they proud for you? Are these people proud of you? Say, what be a politician, big politician, what JB Ghana? Are they proud? Me draw. And one thing, oh boss, you say you didn't to me advice you, but at least ye kakra. And yes, you can. We didn't know who waren of Siciano. We're Christian. We're Christian, at least, and you might be out. Ubebabontia be can't find a drosness and your money. Don't you think, say, Mboa with Yeriana? Hopeson. Now, some way, why you be where you yanni panasa and this person sees you and now on person bet you. I doing just what that hey, bro.
Ibu Mahama, Kwasiato Hopeless Adorye Kwasiato, or me the laptop here charge me phone, I so do light. Hey, Hopeless Adorye, yes, we don't home for Beshi, what say? Kwasiato, who crown, yes, so what's in your papa, gyimifuo, oh, my castle who will be home for Beshi. What for Jimmy and Phil one by you know, pa, you won't cost what do you gyimifuo in our cost?
Munje video na dɛstroy. Mon video no. Munhwe. Kevin Taylor said ye. Kevin Taylor said ye. Samela nchia Hopeson to ye. Arrogant. Hwe. Samela wo ye good o. Samela Bawumia wo ye good papa. Hwe. E mema ene mema ne ko ahon. Ene yihia ye ho wabontia ye mabosa o. Na bema untumi nkodidi. Oba walefo atem. Won so da oba echi. Kodidi oba na tam awie. Na unkohu na bonten kase wukutia no. Hwe. Samela kura do egudu. Na me yira. Me yire kura nkodu ho na me ma na sole. Me ma na so no gu na ni masemo. Hwe. Politics nti mo fa ho dididi amanfo yire no matam. Eni amanfo papa nom. Amanfo maame nom. Because of politics nti mo fa ho dididi o matam. Na mu didi o matam wi a mu hu amusimasa akochi omo. Samela wo ye good. De wo ye Hopeson ne kura wo de ache no. De wo ye Hopeson no wo de ache no. Kadi so hu se Hopeson Adorye etia ni ku awie na wo ba na ne nko asole. Ne ku amane crown. Hwe. Me si mema. Eno mu didi o ho atam wie no mu hia abonten a. Eno de mema o. Eye mema tu mema. Obi etumi kan de opekire ne yonko. Eno mu hia abonten o mema o ho bosa. Na nya wo be ma wo de oba echi. Na bidi di oba na atam wie no akohu na abonten se okotia no. Who are you? Samela, mi tu chema o. Wa ye ni nyina. Ma ye ni nyina. Hwe. Wodi se Samela ni Dr. Bawumia de nye moja ne wo mo. Mo kasa mo kire mo enyo mo ya. Wodi se mo kasa mo kire mo de enyo mo ya, mo nye nipa. Enye moja ne wo mo. O ma ye din da bia mo de nkwase asem na mo keka kire mo. Me se Samela mi tu chema wa ye ni nyina. Yes. Wa kire se wo do wukun. Hwe. Kevin Taylor no wote ho mo no de ye didi na temo no na yere de ono emfa na ho no eno abekasa nye bi ne Samela o obekasa
Ibu Mahama Kwasiato Hopeless Adorye no Kwasiato no gyimifuo mo ke kanipa ho asem wi a wo ko hu nipa na mpese mo kwasese kire no Kurasiri, your mamma Samira Papa bi, our Fedria, what good anyone say my Kwasiato hopeless Adorye, or you don't know where the two artificial, one aquachiano. Why? We don't know what the Sara was about Jimino.
Kwasiato Jimmy Kevin Taylor Hopeson say. Samira Bawumia have no respect. Na Hopeson Adorye chiano no or so on chiano chesu bunohuna. You go explain to ya Kwasiato. Kramayenchia by force. We are proud of our to be first lady. MPP for ye need Samira hu. MPP for we are proud of Samira. Se o muadio so buadio yepe no. Kwasiato Taylor Samira Bawumia. Ye say ye need jino hu ye first lady ye need jino hu. Di otie bia yepe o so buadio so ya huma so ye ho ahwan yo. Enya wasem. Enchia nye force. Enchia enye by force say we ye first lady a obi a training sa announce wo don sa ma no dabi okwasia mahama no kura no oba power no obi a odi na tambia wa china kwakoto prison mumisa mu NDC fo ne say agrada wo ye dey odam because say odidi mahama atem wuntumi ya dabia ni mo chine tere ni abasai di entia because say emra bi na wabusua anka Ibrahim Mahama onti ho emye nkwachi wuntumi se wadidi Mahama atemunti mudi nyansa kwan chini tum mane kodem asia hopeless bompire se MPP mapawa nyesa Samira kura nchi wantumu ano no so onini kunu omu ye fofo lefo Mahama bai obi odi na tembi achina kotum Kwasiato Taylor na ba betena ho ba be kire Samira ni sune ne ban wo na ye be hia wo ye hia wo so be kire ye se Samira mfata Lodina kro ne na mo ye first lady Lodina kura Mahama o ye first lady abuo bi ba te se wo Kwasiato Taylor wo de se ya ka kire wo ya ye di because ye mpese mo president na mo se no sebi mpenifuo bi nti yebedi natam na se wudi ujimi na se Mahama wantufu a yebeso asini so ukwasia wuni ntiti ye na oba na obekeka nkwase asem bia na akọ obekeka nkwase asem bia wo fa penimu bia na wadidi natam enkyere enye force na se Samira po bia chia na enye hopeless bodam ni we Samira peso ochi obi a enye sa atutu no hopeless we no afa duru amamba ye Samira no kire bi wasa akọ kire Samira se oye tutu ni uka se obeyi afiri ni mu ohun asiafo enyansafo bia ni we ni sa wasa NDC party ni mu emwa no mo hwe wo Kevin Taylor mo abetena hono no wadidi atama na akọ MPP fo di atam dia na ye mo ya asia fa ujimi kope ba bitina Kevin Taylor fa ujimi no wontete ye na woni no fa kwa wo sifie fa kwa wo sia himfie abuo bi ba te se wo odwan funu
Ebusia, I'm not feeling well at all, but I have seen a video was searching and never commented. It wasn't a comment. Hopeson, there was a video be trending. Now we share Mrs. Samira where yes. Now person what share is in the one mouth fine. But what share no project so my obi say what to say. And no answer how can not who's a video no trending and for I can was because some of it me control business of free. Now one some of it na kafa ma me hu ene kunu hu no. Eya politics. To me, can was a same dinner tamative business. Okay, would infidelity na a ton of sugar, mammy wanting an occasion cassette. Wo be cool man to manage your love from about the cool hasia. Now when near Quack premises Samira so. Just on Kwasiasan, it's not pen in some cratch a day. Wouldn't in someone chan dear like a bay war, or be as well as would roast on our grass. Some say what could you do and the chance on your bed? No one child, or the one someone channing yet, all pretending your day. No, what did not guys happen?
Internal Hopeson Adorye was he expecting say Samira be who no Kwasiato. Hey, and some people feel so entitled like that. That's quite interesting. Because obi a wuni mu no a utimi kana ne chi asem ya. Eki kan somewhere you know that there's no iota of truth. There's no modicum of truth in that. In the name of politics, who would you say agrada aye am make defamatory statements against you? mo koba mo oda mu nyina mo gusu ko court wudi wo yire chi na Samira ne wo yire no hwan na mo tumi a hwan na wo something to protect Samira Bawumia any gift as a Venice empono hwan na wo an integrity to protect ka obi yire ho asem ya no kure nim na wo be hia na abonten a wa trinity abechia wa aye said ye bibi eni wo meda Samira ase. That is what I want to see in the first lady. They must protect their men. Last time some who Rebecca Kufuado said ye Kofi Amabu Akeka na adwen kire Kufuado now hwe ono the woman must fight for the man. Anya ntokwa bia na ese be man ko. The woman must be the other side of the man. If Dr. Bawumia will play it all diplomatic, I like the way Bawumia yire no woko. What didn't talk about the talk about Bishia? What do you say so about the Srisem Bishia? What the respect Bobema respect? I think that should be fair enough. You see, a lot of people almost take advantage of that thing, no more disrespect people. Now can assemble him say Nimukra no can because when so enko ye court obetimi akano anyway. Particularly this front of people out of bitterness they are saying things. And I'm correct we say you're coaching another cry Solomon Usuno. When you're serious, you think it's a joke. When you're serious. When you're serious. And I want to congratulate Samira Bawumia. You're no. And such a woman be up and or they wo and I would enemy form. That is your job. And I think you have done that very well. Ono kura option ankasa no ogina no nim say enya ade ama me ne bechia no because so hwe a wan training nsa and I wo hwe a efi time a ochia Dr. Bawumia wie no nti say ani wo abon wo ntimi kura move enti ogina ho a say yo mu ye interrogation bia no hu say do move enti that space and I think Bawumia's wife made it clear say she wasn't going to extend her hand to greet him. Into no background and training or no so. Let us be honest. And I think that is the kind of politics we do. We'll be a BB and say a DBB cover or a penny wire politics at check. When Semuna culture say if she is from Nigeria, going to show say if we vote an heading, if we vote at the end why apart from who making scurrilous allegations and a DM pan or waiting me will vote for ama vote for because Hopeson Adorye free enti de bia nsem hurunku na the associate om enti Samira yada she protect Dr. Bawumia for us na mo bia kwan e mekeka na adwi meye de ope no nsia wa bonten sa mechia o enye nanim se de hwie nsi. Image is everything. IPR for us among image is everything. It takes a lot of years. Oh build ya obi amwa o build your image, you build your reputation. It's you and yourself alone. The stress, the effort, the money, the resources that goes into that. No be the 1 minute. Will be the out of bitterness. As saying, I think that should be the pushing going forward. Wow, best the woman almost wow be attack. We to me attack will be. Is part of the politics. It's part of the politics. Obi asu. Oba no like no share. Na what to buchi ni bi.
Tene na wan tene nsa nchia me no. Asechire ho. Hopeson. Me ofalu na kai. O si eja wuju hudi. Me hwe wo sa hwene ani bon. Asechire de bi ho nim de Samira nchia no. Wonni a wo horo nsa. Ai. Asechire no. Samira nchia because o toilet a wo horo nsa. Wo de wonsa wo nkwala ache wo horo wonsa enti woni baabi a wonsa wo di free ba se free utrumo se free nkwala atwemo enti na Samira nchia make a chira enti anso nya by force enti Samira Bawumia o chia wan ka make meja pipiye so o chia wa Samira tene ne sa chia wa enka me Afia meja ya pipiye enti de koso na toto pakọ na Samira Bawumia on fa microphone me jira so dem emu atopa wo Toto Paco, so the way reba, what about to ye? Would you find a bra? Toto Paco, Mrs. Samira Bawumia, on your microphone, you ask them, and when you drain. I see any moon. I'm poor, we didn't poor Buno, I'm poor Jimmy. O Kwasiato proye, Nenzana one chairman, Yakatra and say, O Kobeni, Yakatra say we are babon sam, we are sabon sam, we don't say one call at shim, on sa. 1 year now, Papa, 2 hours, sa. Samira Bawumia, Rabba want to be financial entity being. On to be financial entity being. And to call washroom, I have for seminar, ensuo, Elronsa. And some one could share Penyah bedroom. The gentry bema gyimifuo on to be shenema, just a man talker. When so you hold door to door, walk where you will be a good and you must say, and you when you won't say, oh yeah, Tiana Wancha, would the word Jimmy Power?
The comment section. How you Penyah Block Media, Agra.